All right, welcome back to part two of the trailer. Going to be doing the bunks, and here real quick I'll go over what Ryan did previously on the first video that you guys saw. So the first thing we did, he did, remove this crossbar right here and put in the, I call it a pump cutout. That way it's easier to get a hold and do things with the ride plate and shoe combination. So if I want to, just easier access to get in there. And then put two holes in here for extra set of lights that I'm going to do. Then moving on up, we added this crossbar right here just for extra support. And then what needed to be replaced was these two support bars right here for the plates and everything. They were kind of rusted out on the bottom a little bit, so we replaced that. And then had him raise the bow rest right here, bow support. Had him raise that up a little bit. Changed out the tongue wheel here, support, whatever the hell we're calling it. It was just welded on there, so I couldn't change it out, and it needed to be replaced. So got one that I can just take it off and replace it anytime. And then changed out to a new style tongue. Had this on my old dolly trailer. I really like it. It's nice and smooth, slick looking. So it's still a little sticky from the powder coat. Needs to wear in a little bit. But yeah, turned out really good. So now it's time to get it all put back together. Hopefully boat's going back on it within the next week. So get these bunks on, and then that's really all I'm doing right now. After that, once the boat's back on it, then I'm going to do the wiring and stuff. So I'm all done. Everything went pretty smooth. Got all the bunks on, bow support. Only thing really that took a little bit of time is I had to cut out two of the inner bolts for where we boxed in the frame here. So other than that, everything went smooth. Yeah, so now time to throw the boat on here and then wire everything up. Here's what I'm all using to wire up the trailer. Just got a plain roll of wire, some heat shrink butt connectors, LED tail lights. These are the LED, I think I showed these already, but these are the smoked out side marker lights and rear marker lights that I'm going to use. And then the 4-pin for the trailer. So that's what I'll be using to wire this guy up. All right, I just got done wiring up the trailer. The only part I got to do is the front section, the 4-pin that goes to the truck. I just have those wire nutted right now so I could test out all the lights. And so everything's done, and we'll turn off the lights and I'll give you a walk around what the trailer looks like. Got a bunch of lights on here now compared to what they used to be. All right, here's what it looks like with all the lights out. Happy with the way it turned out. Those bad boys right there were a pain in the butt to get the wiring to. But everything turned out really nice. Really happy with everything. Now I can actually hopefully see my trailer at night when I'm towing, because before it was a little bit difficult to see the trailer at night. But yeah, really happy with it.